So welcome again, my students. Here I have got some information that you are facing some problem regarding the text. So Parrots Training, the text by Rabindranath Tagore, I have already uploaded. Okay, you will get it by tomorrow. And today's class, I would like to discuss you some questions from Parrots Training. You can take down them. Okay, Parrots Training by Rabindranath Tagore. What was question number 1? These are the broad questions. You can take them down. Okay, this will be informative for you and helpful. So the journey खूब helpful होवे, you can take down because these are broad question of 5 marks. Okay, আর short question গুলো আমি at time এক সময় পাঠিয়ে দেবো. I'll send you all the short questions at a time. Then you can manage it, right? So take down number 1. Why was it necessary? Why had it become necessary for the parrots to take a training? Number 1. Or what was the reason behind giving training to the parrot? Right? Number 2. How far do you think? Very important question. खूब दरकारी प्रश्नोटा, बहुत समझने वाली प्रश्न, अच्छा जवाब इसका होना चाहिए जिससे आप लोग पूरा टेक्स्ट कवर कर सकते हो. हाउ फार डू यू थिंक वॉज इट नेसेसरी टू ट्रेन और एडुकेट द पैरट? ओके. नंबर 3. Who were responsible mainly behind the training of the bird? Very important. Then comment on the ending of the story Parrots Training. This is very important. Comment on the ending of the story Parrots Training by Tagore. Right? And what similarities do you find from the story? What similarities do you find from the stories on our pre-independence era? What similarities do you find from the stories on our pre-independence era? These are different questions but might be coming. Okay. So the parrots training is a part, and now I would like to go for something for class 11. Okay, this is a mix-up class, so आप लोग इसको थोड़ा ध्यान में रखिए. मैं थोड़ा क्लास 11 के लिए थोड़ा कुछ एक, जैसे हम लोग सिंड्रेला में थे तो सिंड्रेला के लिए मैं कुछ प्रश्न दे रहा हूँ, आप थोड़ा टेक डाउन करिए. प्लीज टेक डाउन दोज क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम सिंड्रेला. हु इज सिंड्रेला? व्हाई इज शी कॉल्ड सिंड्रेला? Okay, it is for class 11. Mind it, class 11 student, you just take down these questions. Broad question. Who is Cinderella? Why is she called Cinderella? Number 2. Comment on the turning point of the story, or bring out the significance of the story. Bring out the significance of the turning point, or comment on the turning point of the story. That is the ball. All you have to tell about the ball. Number 2. How did the fate of the girl change? How did the fate of the girl change? Full stop. Describe the incidents. Describe the incidents as you have seen on the first night of the ball as well as on the second night of the ball. यानी कि फर्स्ट नाइट और सेकेंड नाइट दोनों नाइट के बॉल के बारे में आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड इन द सेकेंड नाइट बॉल और पार्टी? व्हाट हैपेंड इन द सेकेंड नाइट? How did Cinderella receive her fortune? Next, how were all the confusions resolved? Next, how did Cinderella able to find a fruitful future? How did Cinderella able to find a fruitful future? Right? सो ये प्रश्न मैं आप लोगों को दे रहा हूँ. प्रश्न देने का इसी ज़रूरत यही है कि आप लोग प्रश्न पे ध्यान दें. यू शुड पुट एन एम्फोसिस ऑन द क्वेश्चन, कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द क्वेश्चन. दिस इज गोना बी अ शॉर्ट video, but later on I will go through a different text as far as your concern, as far as your reply. So the next part, hopefully a grammar. So leave a comment whenever you get the video. So as I've given the questions, if you are able, you can show me, otherwise I will give you in writing, no matter. Okay, so try to go through the questions, try to write them out. And for class 12, I would like to suggest you, because you are having your examinations on you, it's hopefully going to be held sooner, so you have to go through all the portions. Okay, therefore nothing more now, nothing in details, but break already we have done. I remember we have done. Okay, 3 questions we have not done. Leotosto we have done. The parrot training we have done. The face of Judas is right, and the send off are being left here. So no matter, we will soon meet by tomorrow again, and hopefully I will go to the next part and cover some questions. Okay, take care. Till then, we are meeting soon. Goodbye.